You know, when I want to change my mood, sometimes I just play the gong. But anyone can change their mood in a minute or two with a simple yogic trick. And here's what you do. You find out which side of your nose is more blocked when you're breathing. Everyone has one side more open than the other. You can try just like, check it out. When you find the side that is more blocked, try to breathe just through that side by blocking off the open side. Block off the open side, inhale through the blocked side, exhale through the blocked side. Continue the breath as best you can, breathing until you feel like you're getting more breath into the blocked side of the nose. What's happening here? The nostrils control the two sides of the brain. Left nostril, the right hemisphere, right nostril, left hemisphere. When you're getting into a mood, your mind is going down a certain track, you're getting anxious, whatever, that part of your brain is just overamping. What we do is we switch it. We switch it by switching the breath. So remember, to change your mood very quickly, within a matter of a minute or two, find the side that is blocked. Try to breathe through that side, close off the open side, long and deep breathing, 30 seconds to a minute or two, and you'll be surprised how quick you can actually change the mood. This is a trick we teach in teacher training, our courses, so if you like more yogic tricks, try our teacher training classes. We'd love to have you.